Obesity is a complex disease involving an excessive amount of body fat. Obesity isn't just a cosmetic concern. It's a medical problem that increases the risk of other diseases and health problems. There are many reasons why some people have difficulty losing weight. Usually, obesity results from inherited, physiological and environmental factors, combined with diet, physical activity and exercise choices. Causes of obesity. Obesity usually results from a combination of causes and contributing factors. Some of them include 1. Family inheritance and influences.
The genes you inherit from your parents may affect the amount of body fat you store, and where that fat is distributed. Genetics may also play a role in how efficiently your body converts food into energy, how your body regulates your appetite.
Obesity tends to run in families. That's not just because of the genes they share. Family members also tend to share similar eating and activity habits. 2. Unhealthy diet. A diet that's high in calories, lacking in fruits and vegetables,
full of fast food, and laden with high-calorie beverages and oversized portions contributes to weight gain.
3. Liquid calories. People can drink many calories without feeling full, especially calories from alcohol. Other high-calorie beverages, such as sugared soft drinks, can contribute to significant weight gain.
4. Inactivity. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, you can easily take in more calories every day than you burn through exercise and routine daily activities. Looking at computer, tablet and phone screens is a sedentary activity. The number of hours spent in front of a screen is highly associated with weight gain. 5. Certain diseases and medications. In some people, obesity can be traced to a medical cause, such as Prader-Willi syndrome, Cushing syndrome and other conditions. Medical problems, such as arthritis, also can lead to decreased activity, which may result in weight gain. Some medications can lead to weight gain if you don't compensate through diet or activity.
These medications include some antidepressants, anti-seizure medications, diabetes medications, antipsychotic medications, steroids and beta blockers. 6. Social and economic issues.
Social and economic factors are linked to obesity.
Avoiding obesity is difficult if you don't have safe areas to walk or exercise. Similarly, you may not have been taught healthy ways of cooking, or you may not have access to healthier foods. In addition, the people you spend time with may influence your weight. You're more likely to develop obesity if you have friends or relatives with obesity.
7. Age. Obesity can occur at any age, even in young children. But as you age, hormonal changes and a less active lifestyle increase your risk of obesity. 8. Pregnancy. Weight gain is common during pregnancy. Some women find this weight difficult to lose after the baby is born. This weight gain may contribute to the development of obesity in women. 9. Lack of sleep. Not getting enough sleep or getting too much sleep can cause changes in hormones that increase appetite. 10. Stress. Any external factors that affect mood and well-being may contribute to obesity. People often seek more high-calorie food when experiencing stressful situations.
Now if you like the video, give the thumbs up. And if it is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe my channel.